You're just like me, you're just like me. It's something anyone can see.
Oh my God! Wow!
I decided to give them feather hair accessories to give angelic vibes. I give Nozomi dark color feather accessories with a tiny moon attached to it because she was supposed to have a darker vibe.
I'm just like you, I'm just like you. You're just like me, you're just like me. It's something
In these art style, I did notice my OC curls changing a
a
lot.
heart that beats, a voice that speaks the truth. Yes, I am a girl like you.
I also give them transparent veils eyed kwai. I chose that design.
I'm just
I give them wings because I haven't drawn wings on a person for a while. Uni face is probably gonna look beat up. Here's the finish. Art, thanks for watching.